In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install IBM SPSS Statistics Easy Step-by-Step Guide. Currently, this is quite straightforward, and with the latest version, the process has been made smoother to help both students and professionals set it up quickly. To begin, you'll need to go to IBM's official website, in here in your favorite browser, and access the SPSS statistics download page. IBM usually offers a free trial version which you can use for a limited period before purchasing a license, or you can log in with your IBM account if you already have an active subscription or university provided license. Once on the download page, select the version that matches your operating system, whether it's Windows 10, 11, or macOS. After downloading the installer, locate the file in your Downloads folder and run it. The installation wizard will guide you through the setup. You'll need to agree to the license terms, choose an installation location, and confirm the default settings unless you want to customize them. On Windows, the installer may ask for administrator permissions, so make sure to allow that. After the installation finishes, open IBM SPSS Statistics for the first time. At this point, you'll be prompted to activate your product. If you are using a trial version, you can simply proceed with the trial option. If you already purchased or were provided a license key, enter the code in the License Authorization Wizard to unlock the full version. The software will then validate your license through IBM servers, and once verified, you'll have complete access to SPSS's features. It's worth noting that IBM frequently updates SPSS to ensure compatibility with modern operating systems and to improve performance. So always check for updates after installation. You can do this within the application by navigating to the Help or Update section. With everything set up, you're ready to use SPSS for statistical analysis, data visualization, and research projects. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.